Dear students, today we are going to start with the first chapter, the living world, of the first unit of 11th class biology. Let us first know what is biology. Biology is a natural science that deals with the study of living organisms. Or we can say it is the science of life. Science of life. Living organisms have been categorized in two types. One are called the animals, and second are called the plants. You know it, the study of the animals is called zoology, and the study of the plants is called botany. Botany is also called phytology. Is also called phytology. There is third branch of biology, a main branch of biology, that is microbiology. It is considered to be the third branch of biology. It is the most important branch of biology. It deals with the study of microorganisms. Microorganisms are those organisms which are very small in size and cannot be seen with the naked eye. For this purpose, we need a microscope. That's why we call it microscopic organisms or microorganisms. And they are also called microbes. We will be studying about bacteria, viruses. We will be studying about microalgae. We will be studying about microfungi. We will be studying about mycoplasma. They all come under microbiology. Again, the study of the living organisms is called biology. It is also called the science of life. Living organisms are of two types, broadly speaking. One is the animals and second is the plants. The study of the animals is called zoology and the study of the plants is called botany. And botany is also called phytology. There is third branch of biology, which is very important branch, that is called microbiology. It is the study of microorganisms or microbes like bacteria, viruses, microalgae, microfungi, mycoplasma. All these come under microbiology. Now, let me tell you that biology is the science of exceptions. Science of exceptions, because there are very few principles and laws that are applicable to biology, and there are a lot of variations and exceptions in biology. We will be studying chapter wise. Everywhere we will find one or the other exception. There are exceptions in plants also, in animal kingdom also. We can't generalize it that this character belongs to this plant, this phylum only. There are different types of exceptions which we will be studying later on. Now students, let us study some key points in today's lecture. Which are very important from examination point of view. Number one, term biology. It was coined by G.R. Treviranus and J.B. Lamarck in the year of 1802. G.R. Treviranus was from Germany and Lamarck, he was from France. I tell you, actually the term was given by G.R. Treviranus and later it was adopted by J.B. Lamarck. But the credit goes to both of them that the term biology was coined by G.R. Treviranus and J.B. Lamarck in the year of 1802. Now, second point. Let us know something about Theophrastus. He is called the father of botany. He described about 480 plants in his very important publication, that is Historia Plantarum. Historia Plantarum. This is the important publication of Theophrastus. One more point about this publication is that it is the oldest literature in the field of biology, oldest literature in biology. Again, Theophrastus is called father of botany. He described about 480 plants in his very important publication, that is Historia Plantarum. And this publication is the oldest literature in biology. Students, now we come to the third key point, that is Aristotle. Let us talk something about Aristotle. He was a great philosopher. called father of biology, zoology, as well as embryology. His important publication is Historia Animalium. Historia Animalium. This is the important publication of Aristotle. Historia Animalium. He is the great philosopher. He is called father of biology, zoology, as well as embryology, and his important publication is Historia Animalium. And moreover, Aristotle divided the animals in two groups. One is called Anemma, and second is called Inemma. This grouping or this classification is based on the presence or absence of the red blood cells. Anemma without RBCs or erythrocytes. Inemma includes those animals which have red blood cells with RBCs or erythrocytes. Further, again, he divided the Anemma group in two parts. One is called the ovipara, and second is called the vivipara. Ovipara means oviparous animals. They lay eggs. And vivipara, they give birth to young ones. Again, let me explain. Aristotle, the great philosopher, is called father of biology, zoology, and moreover, he is the founder of embryology also. His important publication is Historia Animalium. Then again, this Aristotle, he divided the animals in two groups. One is called the Anemma group, and second is called the Inemma group. Anemma without red blood cells, which we call as erythrocytes. Inemma, it means it is with red blood cells or erythrocytes. Anemma, those animals which were with red blood cells were further classified in two groups. One is called the ovipara and second is called the vivipara. Ovipara means they lay eggs, those animals which lay eggs. And those animals which give birth to the young ones are called vivipara, or they have been grouped in the section that is vivipara. And now he called Inemma as the vertebrates, and he called Anemma as the invertebrates. I hope you have understood. Students, now we come to the fourth key point. that is William Roxburgh. He is called father of Indian botany. William Roxburgh is called the father of Indian botany. Nothing more than this we are supposed to know about the scientist. Now coming to the fifth key point. Louis Pasteur. He is called father of microbiology. Students, he is such a wonderful scientist that he gave many concepts and vaccines for many diseases. You know it, for cholera, for anthrax, and for rabies. All this we will be studying later on. And he also gave the pasteurization concept, that pasteurization of milk can be done at so and so degree, at 62.8 degrees centigrade. Now, sixth key point is Robert Koch. He is called father of modern microbiology. So these are the 6 key points, and I have told you about that, what is biology, and these 6 key points. Now students, we come to point number 7. That is Hippocrates. Who was Hippocrates? Hippocrates. He is called the father of medicine. Father of medicine. He gave the statement, let food be your medicine. Let food be your medicine. This statement was given by Hippocrates. And third, students after passing MBBS examination, they take an ethical oath popularly called Hippocrates oath. Very important. Hippocrates oath. Father of medicine, let food be your medicine. This statement was advocated by Hippocrates. And then students after passing their MBBS examination, they take an ethical oath in which ethics and morals are involved. That is popularly called Hippocrates oath. Now we come to point number 8. That is Sushruta. He is called father of surgery. The important Sanskrit text related to Sushruta is Sushruta Samhita. It has been written in Sanskrit. This is the important text related to surgery. Then comes the ninth point, that is called Charaka. He is called the father of Ayurveda. Father of Ayurveda. And the Sanskrit text similar related to Ayurveda is Charaka Samhita. This is the text related to Ayurveda. It has been written in Sanskrit. Now the last and not the least key point is Dhanvantri. Dhanvantri. He is called the god of medicine. God of medicine, father of medicine, Hippocrates' oath, father of surgery, Susruta. Some books are writing Sushruta, that is one and the same thing. Susruta Samhita and Charaka Samhita. So students, in this lecture number 1 of the living world, we have studied what is biology, and second, the key points. And tomorrow in the next video, in the next lecture, we will be studying about the branches of biology, important branches of biology, which are related with you at standard of class 12th, 11th and 12th. And now, thank you very much.